on the video call with the U.S. Musketeers.
Hi! Hi! So how you guys doing?
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Super good.
So, as you all know, it's Mickey's birthday and we would love you guys to be part of the celebration.
Yeah!
But he doesn't know you guys are invited yet because we want it to be a surprise.
Wait, why don't we make an even bigger surprise with a collab?
Yeah!
Hey, that's a great idea. We could sing a birthday song together.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah!
I'm so excited.
Hey! Hi, Mickey! Oh, hi, Mickey!
Bye, guys.
Bye! Hey, Mickey! You're here for the performance, right? well, you're a little bit too early. We'll be doing that later.
Oh, you're here for rehearsal. Maybe we can do this later, Mickey. Yeah, the show's about to start, so come on, Musketeers. Come on,
Mickey.
Come on. Arisa, Zena,
Flying! Jambro!
Ella,
Walking!
and I'm Paris. Hello, everyone. Welcome to a very special episode of Glass Mickey Mouse. All right. It's Mickey's birthday, and we're celebrating 90 years of wonderful friendship with him. That's right. Because Mickey's been such a great friend, we are going to throw Mickey a surprise party, and all of you guys are invited. Yeah, since it's a surprise, we can't let Mickey find out. So,
Betul tu. Kalau kawan-kawan nampak Mickey atas stage ni, korang kena bagi tahu kita orang tau. So we want you guys to wave your hands and say, "Hi Mickey," as loud as you can whenever you see Mickey so that we know he's here. Ah, just like that.
wait, does that mean Mickey is here?
Hey, look.
Ta-da!
It's our guest star for today, Francesca and Firaloy.
Terima kasih Kak sebab datang ke sini hari ini. Dan sebenarnya kita memang perlukan banyak bantuan hari ini.
Oh, saya datang untuk tolongan ni.
But we would also love to get to know more about you, okay? Sure. So let's go. Okay, Elvira, because this is Club Mickey Mouse, our interviews always come with a fun challenge.
Interesting.
And for today's challenge, you will have to do a Minnie Mouse painting on one of our faces. And since Fluffy wants to volunteer,
Since when?
he will be your face model for today.
Gee, I'm proud of you, bro.
I'm happy for you.
Benda ni tak dirancang.
Okay. But now we have to face it. But Kak El, you will only have 60 seconds to answer all the questions.
What? I need more time.
Okay.
We'll see. What was your favorite role so far?
Amira, Amira.
If you could choose another career, what would it be?
I've always wanted to be a pilot, if you don't know.
Wow.
But it looks like you can be an artist.
That's
Painting
right.
this also.
What is the one thing you want to do before your next birthday?
I've always wanted to try skydiving. Ooh, I love it.
If you could be in any Disney movie, animation or live action, which one would you choose? And why?
I think Moana.
Moana.
Yeah.
Right.
I love Ocean. The fact that the character is very strong, very independent.
Dah siap ke?
Dah.
Okay lah.
Alright.
Oh, dah.
Say, please reveal what you
Yeah,
think.
I present you my masterpiece.
Kak memang terbaik. Tapi lepas ni, kalau mak saya jumpa saya, mak saya dah tak kenal saya dah.
Sorry.
Okay, Mickey. There he is. Hi, Mickey. Hi.
Normal guys. Normal, very normal lah.
Hi, Mickey.
Hi.
I miss you. Mickey, I look okay, right? Oh, Mickey. Belum masanya lagi untuk kita buat persembahan. Kita belajar dekat backstage, okay? Okay.
Oh, that was close. Okay. We still have more to plan for Mickey's surprise. What should we do to make it more special?
Oh, I know. No birthday party is complete without cake.
That's right, babe. I have an idea. Let's play a game. The game that we're gonna play is called Icing the Cake. Dina, Wafi, Arisa, you guys will be in team Mickey. Guys, and joining our special guest Elvira, our Faik and Elia in team Minnie.
The rules of the game are quite simple. All you gotta do is decorate your own cake to look like this delicious one in front of you. Wow! But give me 5 minutes to do so. Are both teams ready to kick it off?
Yeah.
You guys get it right. Kick it off.
On your mark, get set.
Deck.
Time by rolling both colors. That's so smart, guys. You know what?
You know what, bro?
Okay.
This team hasn't even stuck on a single decoration.
Sabar, wait.
We have 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes.
I think it's gonna fall off.
Oh,
Faiz, you need to put more glue.
not enough glue. I put a lot of glue.
It's too heavy. Okay, one more minute on the
One
clock.
more minute remaining, guys. After 20 years, Wafi finally finished the yellow ribbon.
Okay, you guys have
30 seconds remaining. Let me see the ears, guys. Can you put it in time? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Now it's time to examine the cakes and see how they look like.
Alright, so...
Honestly, not too bad.
But I think they got it down. Like they checked the
They got it.
ears,
They checked the ears.
the ribbon, they checked all these Mickey heads.
Good job. Good effort, Jimmy. Good effort. Dengan rasa bangga. Ini adalah. Alright. Okay, I don't need to say. I'll examine it. Alright. I can't even compare it. It's too different. Kan? Kita punya lagi bagus kan? Oh, ini kita punya. Hey, ni jangan buat. Teruknya.
Kita punya ni. It's ours. It's all about effort.
Oh no.
Okay, I know both teams, you guys put a lot of effort into decorating your cake, but I think we should serve this one to Mickey.
Ni kan suka kek ni.
Yeah,
It's the thought that counts, bro.
that's right. Let's hide the cake before Mickey sees.
Alright, and don't go anywhere because we still have some birthday planning to do. Dan korang akan dapat tengok persembahan original song kita orang.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the show.
Elia, don't you think Mickey is such an inspiration?
Yep, when he puts his mind up to something, he never gives up.
You know who else Mickey inspires? Claudia and Mr. Muffins.
Alright, Lisa, what's your favorite part about birthdays?
Well, Besides celebrating it with my close family and friends, I also love collecting birthday cards.
Ha! That's perfect, because today we'll be making a birthday card for Mickey. But not just any old birthday card, we'll be making a pop-up birthday card! First, take a colored card and fold it in half. Next, you want to take your scissors and be careful because scissors are sharp. Now, we already drew out the outlines. Cut the borders of the colored card.
Yeah.
Done! So the cake is, you can see 3 layers here. So the first layer has to be the longest. The second layer is shorter than the first layer, and the third layer is the smallest.
Untuk bagi dia pop up, kita kena lipat ke arah yang berlawanan.
The next step is take another card, stick this one on top of that. So you have a perfect pop-up birthday card.
The final step, we will decorate the cake.
Yeah!
Yeah. So kita akan gunakan kertas bercorak ni ataupun kalau korang kreatif korang boleh gunakan pen marker berwarna ni.
And I know a lot of you at home are pretty creative. It's the moment of truth.
Yeah.
Let's see how our pop-up cake looks like. Hey, pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Yeah,
Actually, pop.
but you can make it look even
More cakier?
more cakey.
How?
So kita boleh tambah candle.
Oh, you can decorate the cake however you want to decorate.
Yes.
You don't have to follow us. I mean, ours is pretty cool, but I'm pretty sure you guys can make things that are even cooler. For Mickey, we're making it look like this. I'm sure he loves it.
Let's just hope Mickey doesn't.
Hey, Mickey!
Oh, hi Mickey. Are you taking a break from rehearsing your dance moves?
Are you looking for something in the fridge? Yeah, rehearsal. Important. You should go.
See you, bye.
Bye, Mickey.
Yeah, great work, you guys.
Oh, okay. We need to hide this card in case Mickey comes back again.
Yeah, and we also need to get ready for our performance.
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready for the next performance by the Musketeers? Performing the original song "I've Gotta Be Me," please give it up for the Musketeers. Dina, let's take a selfie. Nice. Please, let's take a picture. Say cheese. Awesome. Oh, it's a bird. Oh. Hey, Dip, Dad's starting to get your food?
Yeah, I'm on this diet because I've got this bodybuilding competition. Real serious stuff, you know. Started going to the gym, taking protein. I even went on those walkie things.
You mean treadmill?
Yeah. That walkie thing, what you say? Oh, no. One plate's not enough, Arisa. I'm on a diet. All right, who's ready for some karaoke? Wafi, you wanna come up here? Gotta say goodbye. Remember me. What are you doing here, bro? What are you doing? I just wanna wash my hands.
Happy birthday, Dina! Whoa, thanks, Miss Chris. That's not it, because there's more. Whoa!
Now make sure you ace all your exams because I would have to return them if you don't.
What?
Gotta make sure everything is clean.
I'm so sorry, man.
I just cleaned that. Chocolate.
All right, everyone, it's time for the final surprise. And the surprise is Mickey will be joining us for the next game.
Yeah!
Mickey! Hi, Mickey! together. And there'll be 2 teams of 3. Arisa, Kak Chris, and our wonderful guest Mickey. You guys are team.
Team Mickey!
And Elia, Kak Elvira, and Wafi. You guys are team.
Over here, you can see a bunch of block 12 to be exact.
On each block, there's a picture printed on it, and your goal is to assemble all of the pictures.
And the team that solves the puzzle the quickest wins the game.
All right.
Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Let's get into our position.
All right. Yeah. Go, guys.
All right, both teams start in 3, 2, 1, go! Solve that puzzle.
No. Get out.
Wow. Team Elvira is going fast.
Go.
Careful, they dropped the block.
Lock.
That's 4 pieces left. Team Elvira.
Get to do this.
All right, teams, back into your position.
Nice job, guys.
I think it's pretty obvious who the winner is. It's Team Mickey! Kita mana boleh lawan Mickey kan? Dia kenal semua kawan-kawan dia ke? Mickey knows his friends well.
Well, guys, don't you have somewhere to be? Huh? Something else?
Wait, hold on, where are you going? I want to say Mickey. Where are you going?
Let's go. Okay, Mickey, we have a surprise for you. Wait here, don't go anywhere, okay? Close your eyes. Open. Press it.
Let's give a big hand to the marching band.
Mickey, the surprise doesn't end here. You want to know what else we have in store for you? Follow us to the couch. Yay! Let's give a warm welcome to our friends all the way from the States, the U.S. Musketeers. It's Jenna, Reagan,
Gabe,
Leanne,
Will, Sean. Hey Mickey, happy birthday, and I hope you like our surprise.
and we have a special performance just for you, Mickey. Let's go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Mickey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Mickey. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mickey! We hope you like our little surprise.
Everyone, thank you guys for helping us out. Bye.
Mickey, we made this specially for you.
You like it, Mickey?
Aww.
Guys, I'm just so happy we could give Mickey such a special birthday party.
Ini adalah salah satu kenangan yang kita semua tak boleh lupakan. Lagi-lagi kita bersama dengan special guest kita, Kak Ezra.
I had so much fun with you guys. Thank you so much for having me.
We really appreciate you spending time with us.
And to you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us on Love Mickey Mouse!
Kak, we don't want you to leave so soon. So why don't you take a front row seat to watch us do our special closing with our good old pal, Mickey.
Cool. Break a leg, guys.
Thank you.
Let's do it again.
Okay.